Okay, so on the left we have Pampers Swaddlers. On the right we have Pampers Baby Dry. Now I'm a big Pampers fan. The hospital carried the Swaddlers when my son was born, and I continued to use them. And then the Baby Dry I bought in a pinch. I have used them before, more than once, so I have good experience with these two. But I'm going to show you why I prefer the Swaddlers. So the Swaddlers, these are very much thicker and sturdier. The flaps. And then the padding is super, super thick. Like, very thick. And then from the side, you can even see how much thicker the diaper is, right? It's thick, it's soft, they smell good. I know that's weird, but they really smell good. They smell like a fresh baby powder. And then the Baby Dry, much thinner. I'm trying to get a good comparison, but they're much thinner. These break. I don't know how many times I've pulled them lightly and they've ripped, and then the whole diaper goes to wasting, and I've probably wasted 100 diapers with that. And then the padding in them is just mediocre. It's just not that great. The barriers aren't that great. I'm just not a fan of these. Now, I'm not saying they're not good. They might work for your baby, but my son is a water and juice kind of baby. He always wants to drink liquids. And so I feel like he pees more, and that's just why these have worked better. He's a bigger boy. He moves a lot. I just really prefer these. They stay on really well. Even as he's an active toddler, these stay on really good. These ones, they tend to, like, the flaps tend to kind of like fold in and just create a very uncomfortable looking situation. So anyway, these, I'm not saying they're not good, but I prefer these.
So these are the Pampers Swaddlers Diapers. This is what they look like. This is a size 4, as you can see. They have these markers in the front, which tell you how far to put the flaps on and how tight to put it for baby. They also have this indicator line right here, so when baby uses the restroom, it will turn blue, which is really helpful. You can see it's really thick and plush. It definitely contains a lot of liquid. And here's the back, and on the inside you have the flaps, and you have the blowout guard right here, which has been so handy really for the different blowouts that we've had with our son. But overall, this has been the go-to diaper. It definitely has been the one we lean towards and the one that we've been using throughout our little man's life so far.
These Pampers Swaddlers right here are from Amazon. Notice that they are definitely different than the regular Pampers Swaddlers. These are smaller. They're thicker and softer material. I bought these on a recent special with Amazon. Design is different, which is not that unusual. And the box was different, but that happens with Amazon. But the diaper is definitely different. And it's really, really thin. Just not what it normally is. So just be aware.